Hi, hi everyone. So today we're going to see a continuation of the past series. Okay, so today we're going to see the behavior of switch and the introduction of router. Okay, for example, please I will explain with a scenario. Okay, so imagine this is a office organization. Okay, so this is a example, this is a HR department and this is a marketing department and sales production. Okay, so now, and this is A device, this is B device. Okay, so now we're going to see the um, behavior of the switch. Okay, so now A device wants to send a data to the B device. Okay, so now data straightly will not go to the B device. Okay, so now it will travel to the switch. Okay, so now A device wants to send the data. A device wants to send the data to the B device D. Okay, so it will not straightly, oh, you are behind to me, I will give you. So A will not tell to the B. Okay, first what it will, data will travel to the switch. From the switch it will travel to B device. Okay, now it will travel to the switch source as a MAC A. Okay, but don't know the destination. So the data will travel to the all the departments. That is, I said, I have explained you last week. So it will broadcast. Okay, so now A device wants to send the data to the B device. Now the data will straightly will not go to the B device. Okay, so now it will travel to the switch source as a MAC address learning. Now the data will travel to the switch port and address learning will happen after that. But don't know the destination of the B device, and uh, uh, it will travel to the all the departments and find the B device. Okay, so that is a broadcast will happen. Okay, so unnecessary traffic. Okay, so it is traveling to the B device, sorry, HR, marketing department, sales department and the production departments. Please tell who is who's a B device. Okay, so due to that unnecessarily traffic will happen. This is called as a single broadcast domain. Okay, so this is called a single. So this is called a single broadcast domain. Okay, so unnecessarily traffic is happening. So how we can, so what is the solution for this? Okay, so I will give a better solution. Okay, so we can remove the 40 port switch from here, and we can install a sorry, we can have a switch for the each department separately. So this is a switch. Okay, this is a switch. This is a switch. Okay, so this is a switch to, I am allocating each different department different separately. I am allotting a switch to the each department. Okay, so now what will happen? Okay, so now what will happen? So it will travel to this switch. Broadcast will happen to this between this switch. Okay, if here marketing department A device and B device, if suppose here he want to communicate to the B, means straightly A device will contact to the switch, and switch will it will broadcast to this department. Production, it will broadcast between this department, and here it will broadcast between this department. Okay, so now also we have the problem. Okay, so now also we have the problem. Okay, so all the departments have the network within them. Okay, so here you see HR department cannot communicate to the marketing department. Okay, so HR department cannot communicate to the sales department. Marketing department cannot communicate to the production department. Production department cannot communicate with the sales department. Okay, so what is the solution for this? Okay, yes, definitely solution is there. Okay, so I hope my students are, so my students is brilliant, and some students will you think about the answer. Okay, so now you have to think about the answer. Yes, why can't you put a router? So now Mr. Router is introducing in the architecture. Okay, so router is telling, I am there to communicate to the different department, you please don't worry. Okay, so now I will remove this line. Okay, I will draw Mr. Router here. Okay, so I have drawn a router here. So now we are introducing Mr. Router. Okay, I will wrap this. Okay. Okay, so now what he will do, it will help to communicate to the different department. Okay, so we can learn what is router. Okay, so what is router? So the router, it breaks a broadcast domain. Second one, so it is a layer 3 device. It contains routing table. Okay, so routing table contain list of routes. Okay, so I will say you some information about the router. Okay, so router, it is used to connect a different network, just now I said. Okay, from a switch. With the help of UTP cable, we have to connect to the router. Okay, so router is called as a layer 3 devices. Okay, switch will forward the packet by seeing the MAC address. The router will forward the packet by seeing the IP address. Okay, so now assign the IP address to all the, so now we have to assign the IP address to all the department. Okay, so if you are allowing the router IP address should not be in the same network. This is the condition. Okay, so what is the behavior of the switch is it will route to the different network, not to the same network. So for routing for the same network, we don't need the router. Okay, so we can with the switch we can run the organization, but you have the different department means there this guy will place there. Okay, so with the patience 11 minutes. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please leave a comments. Okay, please interact with me. Okay, if you definitely like the video, please share to your friends. Okay, so who needs to learn the CCNA, please join the course. Okay, so thank you for watching.